In this video, I'll show you how to find Telegram user ID. So this is basically going to be an educational video. So ensure you watch through, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for you to be able to find your user ID, right? That is your identification number, right? On Telegram. What we're going to do right now, I'm currently on my PC, and for me to be able to find my own user ID, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my mouse. This is my user ID, right? This number. 7961897211. So yeah, this is my user ID. So this video, I'm just making it to show you guys how you can find yours. If you'd love to find yours, maybe on your PC, on your laptop, on your MacBook, on your Android. I think it works for Android, right? If you're on the Chrome version, not on the Telegram app version. So this is basically how you can find Telegram user ID. This video will be for educational purpose. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.